Today we're gonna start Inventor basic things. As you can see, I open Inventor desktop, and this is toolbars. You can see first we're gonna start simple drawings, basics for Inventor. You can select this standard .ipt and you have to select create. You have to wait a little bit. Inventor starts now. These are few basic commands. You can see here is extrude, revolve, and swipe loft, etc. You can see all of these. If you want to create a hole, this is a hole, you fill it. If you want to cut edges with fillet round on radius or chamfer, this is chamfer like on angle. You can make these modifications in your drawing. First we're gonna start with sketch. I will select XY plane because it's really easy, or you can select any plane, but I will prefer XY plane. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. Here you can select different rectangles: 3 point, 2 point, 2 point center, 3 point center, slot center overall. But I will select 2 point. I will start from here. Here you can edit your dimensions. I see it's 0.3. My dimension unit is inches, so I'm using inch. I'll use 0.3, 0.5. If you want to do and draw any other thing in this sketch, you can draw, or just finish this sketch and you will select extrude. How much thickness or width you want, you can select here. I will select 0.3. So 0.3. You can select symmetric, asymmetric, or there is direction 1, direction 2. I will select symmetric on both sides. So now we have this rectangle. Here you can see. Now I want to do modification in this, so I will select sketch. I will go to origin. I will select plane where I want to draw another sketch. I want to draw, let's suppose here. So I select XY plane. Here you can select slice graphics. It's easy to draw your sketch on previous drawing. So I will draw one circle here. Let's suppose it's 0.1. You can edit your dimensions later also, like this. And now I will finish this sketch. I will go to extrude. Here you can cut part, you can intersect, or you can join. I will cut part this hole from this direction, or you can do asymmetric, you can do symmetric, you can do direction 1 or direction 2. I will go to in direction 1 and I will do 0.5. Here it is. You can see this. This is circle, not totally in this rectangle, but half of rectangle got this hole or circle inside this one. You can see these are basic commands you can use. Let's suppose I want to fillet edges. This is dimensions, radius you can put in here. I will do 0.1. and fillets, rounds, edges. I will select edges like this, and this. Okay, now you can see here you are drawing out fillet. I will do on this side also. Like here I will select its backside, so I will fill it here also. This is how you can modify your drawings. You can see here, this is just a basic drawing I draw. It's not any specific dimensions or any special drawing. I just wanted to show you basics of Inventor. I'm using Inventor, so I wanted to show you basics. Here or here we can do cancel. You can go to homes. You can see that you got fillets in this drawing in this part. You can do more modifications. I will select sketch. I will select plane where I want to draw. I will draw next by plane. I want to draw here circle in this point, but I will select graphics, slice graphics, and I will select circle on this middle point, and I will select point 1. So I got circle. Then you finish sketch, you extrude both sides 0.5, direction 2 I think, or you can cut. I will cut this. Okay, now as you can see, this I got cut here also, this point. If you want to do here, you can do here also. These are the basic commands you can use. Thank you for your attention. See you again in next video.